Hi, I'm Kathy O'Shea with New Age Industrial. I'd like to talk to you about our new sliding door option on the security fence. Our security fences are made in our plant in western Kansas of primary aluminum. And what that means to you is that the fence will never rust or corrode. It's guaranteed for life against rust and corrosion. So it's ideal for walk-in coolers, freezers, anything where it's a moist, wet, and cold environment. But it also works extremely well for dry storage. So on our new sliding door, which you saw, is we have two options. We have the split door, which separates side to side, and then we have a single door which will roll left to right. We have a stainless steel mechanism for the slide, which allows for smooth slide and no hang-ups, no rust and corrosion again. One of the advantages of the sliding door is that you no longer have to allow for that space of the door swing, whether it's away from the fence or into the walk-in cooler. So it's ideal for tight spaces where you want to put in a secure location but don't have a lot of room for the door swing. Speaking of the doors, we have the swing door. We have an option which is an interior lock so that if someone were to get locked inside that fence, then they can get out. The other thing on the dry storage with these fences, we do lots of different shapes. We can do a U shape, a C shape, different styles. We've put them in food courts for storage for the different restaurants or retailers. We've also done them for ghost kitchens. So they're ideal for any type of storage where you want your items to be secure and safe. When ordering a custom fence from us, there are certain things that we need. We need the width of the area, we need the height of the walk-in cooler or the storage area, and then we'll want to know whether, if you're using a hinge door, if you want left to right hinge, if you want it to swing exterior or interior. Then on the sliding door, we'll need to know whether you want the single or double door. For more information, please contact us at sales@newageindustrial.com or check out our website at newageindustrial.com.